How to set up Chatbox in Streamlabs in 2023. Setting up Chatbox in Streamlabs is very important in communicating with your audience. And in this tutorial, I'll show you how to do it. So the first thing that you want to do is open your Streamlabs. And once you're here, I want you to click Sources. And after that, we're going to go to Widgets. After clicking Widgets, you will be able to see here Chatbox. So let's try to add source. And then I'm going to add source. Okay, and then there are different themes to choose from here. We have clean, box, twitch, old school, and chunky. This is how box looks like. If I'm going to click clean, it will change. All right, that one. So there aren't any bugs anymore. So in my case, I'm going to be using boxed. I think this is a lot better because I can easily see who is sending the message and what the messages are. Now, another thing that is very important is this one, always show messages. Some people prefer it to be always there, particularly if you are basically doing like some sort of live stream, conversation wise, something like that. However, if you are gaming, this is definitely not ideal because it will clutter in your screen. So depending on what you are doing, you can either toggle it off or on. So if I were to be playing games, then I'm going to turn this off. And after that, you can scroll down here and see other options. Now for the color, you can experiment on text colors, font size, and etc. So once everything is done, I want you to click close. And your chat box should be placed wherever you think is not going to be bothering you with regards to what you are doing. So yeah, say for example, you're playing games. So when you're playing games, most likely the center is going to be the focus. However, there are, for example, games that has a maps. For example, maps down here on the bottom left corner. We have, for example, Mobile Legends. Mobile Legends has a map here, so you won't be able to place it here. So in your case, just adjust the placement of the chat box depending on where you can see it better, where you can read it, and something that does not bother you with what you are doing. So yeah, that's how you're going to set up Chatbox in Streamlabs Desktop. And by the way guys, again, I would highly suggest to upgrade to Streamlabs Ultra to level up your streaming quality and experience. You can save up to $10 right away after clicking on the link in the description box and the comment section below. And as always, please subscribe to the channel and like this video if this helps you out.